Hey guys, Tony here. So I actually just upped my position on RKT by another 250 shares, which I bought at like 22 something. I spent another 5,600 on this. So my full position on RKT right now is 5,000 shares and about $131,000. It's about 85% of my portfolio. And it just out of nowhere randomly just shot up all the way up to 24. But you know what? The thing is though, I was looking at the TA and I actually told myself, I actually did the TA like yesterday, and I was like, you know what? I wouldn't be surprised if we shoot up to $24 today. And then seeing it right now, I was in lunch, right? I'm still in lunch and I wasn't even looking at the charts. And I look at it, I got a notification from Robinhood and it says, hey, RKT shot up to like 23.96. And I was like, what the fuck? So I log in and it's at like 23 something, like right now, right? It's at 23 bucks. It just crossed 24. And I was like, holy shit, I can't believe like that the TA that I did yesterday was actually right. Because it was just like one of those like, oh, it'd be crazy if this actually does this. But I knew that this was gonna, well, I didn't know that this was gonna happen. It was just one of the things that the TA showed me from yesterday. I'm like, oh, you know what? I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 24 bucks today. So super nuts, right? Sometimes it's crazy to the T like this. So I don't know if it's gonna stay right here. Fully expecting it to drop all the way down to like $22 anyways, but I did add another 250 shares at around 5,600 bucks down here at like $22 and like 40 cents, I think. So I'll see you guys later. Just wanted to update you guys on our RKT.